Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Motorola Edge for diffusion. First of all, access Play Store on both. Then click on the search bars and type in Send Anywhere. Following that, you need to download this free app from this developer, and when it's ready, open it. Now, in order to continue, choose I accept, confirm, continue, and allow on both devices. So I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Now choose receive on Motorola Fusion and send on this Android device. Following that, you need to click on all of those dots on your Android and choose send at the bottom right corner. This way you will choose all of them and transfer them later on. It will take some time though to do it now, so I will go with this photo, click on send and tap on got it. Now on Motorola, select yes I agree or no thanks. Then click on close this window. As you can see from here, we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by tapping on this scanning icon on Motorola, then choosing while using the app or only this time, and pointing our camera at this code. But we can also input this key over here. We have a lot of time to do it. And tap on receive button. Now, after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!